I'm gonna try not to cry because I came here in so much pain from the States, and I had so many different therapies and medications from the States, and I was still in a lot of pain, and even mentally not really where I needed to be. But when I came here, it was like the people were so loving and so welcoming. I felt so good, and I felt like I could settle and relax and start embracing healing.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DeMarcus. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we have an extremely beneficial episode, especially for a lot of the veterans that follow me here on YouTube. We're at Heroes Total Wellness here in Pattaya City, Thailand. Today I'm with Mr. Tierre Simmons. Tyrie, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, man, I'm Tierre Simmons, originally from Waco, Texas. I'm an Air Force combat veteran. I've been coming to Thailand off and on for like 2 or 3 years. In those visits, I realized, man, we have a huge veteran community out here, but we don't have anything that they can benefit from. And that's where this location came from, and that's where this idea came from.
Is this similar to a VA here in Thailand?
It's similar to the VA, but we're a third-party vendor who uses the VA benefit to treat our veterans like the heroes they are.
So you're telling me someone that's a veteran in America can come from the United States and utilize their VA benefits here at your facility here in Thailand?
Correct. If you're a disabled veteran and you've registered for the FMP program, you can come to this facility and we can treat your disabilities with mental health, physical health, massage therapy, and a plethora of other programs that we provide here at Heroes Total Wellness.
Wow, that's crazy. So guys, this is something a lot of people don't know, that you can literally come to Thailand and still have access to your VA benefits. Let's go see what your facility looks like.
Let's go, man.
All right. Ooh, wow. This is a literal medical facility.
This is a medical facility on steroids. Wow. I like to say, if in the VA you got a Ford, we the Rolls-Royce Wraith. We're gonna treat you like luxury, like the hero you are, what you deserve to be treated like.
Man, I truly didn't expect this to be like a full medical facility. So you have pretty much every single thing that a medical office in America would have. You have the little thingies.
Yes.
When you come in.
So when veterans come in, it's very important that we understand that they have the correct blood pressure to be seen in certain services. We have our certifications that we've gotten from the Public Health Department of Thailand. So yes, we're certified. All of our doctors have degrees in the medical field that they're practicing, and they're certified. And we're also verified and certified with the FMP program in the United States. So we are legit.
My boy is plugged in. And I see you even have a wonderful Thai staff here.
Yes. Here, when the veterans come, they meet these two young ladies. We call them OI employee. And when I am not here, I have somebody, I call her TA. It's my Thai angel. Her name is Jackie. She takes care of everything while I'm not here.
Is this Jackie?
That's Jackie.
Hello, Swadika, I'm Jackie. I'm a manager here at Hero Total Wellness. I'm so proud being here and helping veterans and grow my team together.
I got a lot of stuff to show you guys. For the veterans who come here, this is how we do. I'm gonna do that in my game voice.
I like that. That's how we do it. How many floors are in this facility?
So we have 5 floors. However, we tried to keep most of our floors for services on the first 2 or 3 levels. Okay. We understand that, some of our veterans have disabilities and it's hard for them to get around. So we kind of keep it on the first 3 floors.
Smart.
Here we have physical therapy area. And in this physical therapy area, you have 2 physical therapy doctors. Veterans can come in here and do what they call Gantt training on your treadmill. We have electroshock therapy. We even have plasma therapy.
Wow.
That gets deep down into the bones. And who do we have in here? We have Mr. Panu, one of our physical therapists. He is responsible for a lot of our program details, a lot of our program workflow. Very professional young man. And a part of the team. It's a person that we couldn't live without here at Heroes Total Wellness.
Wow, thank you for your service. Okay, cool. I'm actually doing physical therapy right now.
Okay.
And I'm doing it at Bangkok Physiotherapy, some huge therapy place in Bangkok. And I can say this is quite quite similar to their entire setup.
Gotcha.
And this is the type of feel that I get. It doesn't seem like I don't know, bro. This seems like it feels like America, like an American facility.
Yeah.
And like I haven't been to too many medical places, but this is somewhere I would feel comfortable at.
The thing I like to think about is, if you're going to a big medical facility, you're in a crowd of people.
Mm-hmm.
When you come here, we know you by name. Right. We remember what you did last time.
Mm-hmm.
We can say, hey, did you do this? And we can know that you didn't do that. You know what I mean? So we keep you accountable, but we are dedicated on getting you better. Right. Because what happens is when you come out, we are battled, we're wounded, we're all this other stuff, but we're tough and we don't want to admit certain things. We're going to pull that out of you and we're going to get you right.
So you do have mental health services in addition?
We have mental health services. We have psychologist services. And not only with the mental health, we like a holistic approach. So instead of just getting around a table saying, hey, I got a mental health issue or I don't feel comfortable in this issue, we'll take you to the country, let you see the trees, let you do cooking sessions, take you to rehabilitation therapy where you sit there and meditate and get to know yourself and how to get these certain things out. I mean, it's kind of like unconventional treatment that would cost, I won't say wouldn't cost, but it would take us a lot of paperwork to get that type of stuff done in the States.
Right.
Or in here, it's just a 2-week journey and you're good to go.
That's crazy. You're providing different types of wellness that you can't really access in America. And that's the thing. Like, I remember someone telling me, like, if you go to the VA, it can take maybe 3 months for you to get an appointment to see some ailment. But here, if they reach out to you, you guys can get them in that day.
Yes.
And you can start their treatment process.
Yes. That's one big thing. The VA, we do love them. They do have amazing people that work for that program. However, it's saturated with a lot of veterans who need a lot of help. So sometimes you go in there, you won't get seen for 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 months. Here, you come in, you show us your paperwork. The longest you're gonna wait is a week for a first appointment, and then you're gonna get in the regular schedule. So it is not waiting months and months to get treated. You're gonna get treated ASAP, Rocky.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Let's continue. So this is our physical therapy session.
Nice.
What we're gonna do now is go to the massage therapy. We have 3 masseuses that take care of our veterans, whether it be a relaxation massage, a muscle tense massage, a herbal massage. We do a little bit of everything. This is just an example of what a veteran comes into, right? Although we are a medical facility, we want to make the veteran feel like they're VIP as well. So you'll have, of course, a medical masseuse giving you the treatment, but you don't feel like you're in a hospital. You see what I'm saying?
This actually seems just like a massage studio.
Yes.
And it smells like it with the
with
the bombs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I dig it. This is a vibe.
Yeah, it's a lot of people, including myself, that get on this mat, on this table and just fall asleep, man.
Hey, I need it next. Could someone like me who just wanted some type of treatments come here?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
So at the moment, we only treat disabled veterans. I am on the path of getting Champ VA, which is going to treat those disabled veterans' family members. And as we start to build out, we're going to start to include selective people to bring into our facility and give treatment like yourself. The reason why we don't treat a whole conglomerate of people is because this is still a VIP experience for the hero.
Right.
So when you come in here, you got soldiers camaraderie against each other. They saying stuff, they doing a whole bunch of other stuff, and we want to keep that environment sacred for them.
Yeah,
right.
Straight up.
So, but do keep in mind, I can't let out too much secrets, but there are some things that are happening that's going to make it an experience for everybody, no matter who you are.
He cooking up. Then what we got here?
So this is psychology. I think she has somebody in there at the moment, but when we talk about mental health, that type of thing, we have psychologists on site, and then also our veterans can do telehealth with a psychiatrist. Those psychiatrists prescribes the medicines that they need. That's provided by the VA. So a little bit of everything, man. It's kind of one-stop shop here. We also have one other little neat thing we like to do just to relax your muscles before you go into A massage is a hot sauna. You go in there and it kind of relaxes your muscles so you won't be as tense when you start your physical therapy for
Nice
it's warm in there. It's warm in there.
Keep it hot. Mr. Tyrie, what you've built here is absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
And I think it's something that our community definitely needs. But I think you even have a more of an amazing story, and I think this is a good time to take a deeper dive into who Tierre Simmons is.
All right. So Tyrie is a dedicated husband, a proud father of 2 boys, one who actually plays for Howard Soccer, one who actually I have my younger son who's 15, already has 3 businesses already. So yeah, I'm pumping my chest out because it's just awesome to recreate the things that you want to do in your children. Tyrie is also a proud veteran, combat veteran. I served my country. I've been into some places that most people ain't been to. And after I got out of the military, I did sophisticated military operations for the military, working for contracting before I got into this business. And once I got into this business, I realized that I could let the prior love, which is my other job, go and get a new love, which is in the background, taking care of veterans like we should be taken care of. I pride myself on being a man of my word. I pride myself of letting my team show their skills. I'm not a puff daddy. I don't like to be all in the videos, right? This took a lot for me to do to come here and express myself the way that I am. But to have something like this changes lives on a daily basis. And sometimes the impact could be overlooked, but the impact is very serious. One of our beautiful women veterans. I just met her, a day before yesterday. And can you tell me a little bit about what you told me about how this place has helped you?
Oh my goodness.
Right on the spot.
I'm going to try not to cry because I came here in so much pain from the States, and I had so many different therapies and medications from the States, and I was still in a lot of pain. And even mentally, not really where I needed to be. But when I came here, it was like the people were so loving and so welcoming. I felt so good. And I felt like I could settle and relax and start embracing healing, not just something to cover up a symptom, but really get to the root of everything. And so therefore, so far my back, oh my gosh, my pain level has went from, I came here, I think I was about an 8, 9, something really high. I'm down to like a 2. Some days it's a little, worse because of the weather, whatever, or maybe what I've done. And also mentally, I have such an amazing counselors here that have really helped get to the root of everything now. Now things are starting to be revealed and I'm able to deal with things in a relaxed atmosphere. They don't rush you. They don't judge you. Everybody is so loving and so supportive. I have nothing but wonderful things to say. Even my family, even when I talk to them now, they're like, oh my goodness, you are so different than what you were when you were here. And I'm like, I'm in a very supportive atmosphere and I'm grateful for everybody. And I'm so grateful for you.
Thank you.
To create this environment for us and to have this for us. I had no idea that it was you. I thought it was the VA from the States putting something here. But when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, may you be blessed 100-fold. That's all I can say.
Thank you.
That's all I can say.
I was sitting next to her, and I don't like to say or talk about who I am or what I do, and I kind of whispered to her, I was like, I'm the owner.
Yeah.
And she was like, so you don't understand what I just told you about our staff taking the weight off and letting our veterans walk in here shameless and heal in peace, heal without being judged. You just heard it from her. I don't have to tell you no more. This is from someone who is going through the program.
Straight out the massage therapy room, and this is an impromptu interview. Like, she didn't know we were filming. She just came and spoke from the heart, y'all. And I really appreciate that testimonial, because that's crazy. But I'm
Thank you
happy
very
for
much.
you most of all, for real.
We're still building, and we're building in a place that is not native to us, right? And we're doing things that are changing lives on a daily basis, whether it's your YouTube videos and Instagrams that are talking to millions of people that they don't know what's going on, or whether it's a veteran watching this right now who is struggling in the States that's wishing that they can have a place of peace. This is that place. So don't even think anymore. Let's just go.